The car show of 2024.
Might as well if you're looking. We've surprised many a person.
I should get a Cadillac golf around all the time so I can hide it. That's what I thought.
How do you like it?
Yeah, here. 1, 2, 4. 4 on this side.
Yeah, let's see. That's the same order. And no D2, no nothing. It's identical.
This is my favorite cars, Lexus. They are the sexiest cars alive. Some beautiful cars out here. This is inside of the Lexus. Beautiful engine. Beautiful car work.
That's what it
Here, you're going to notice that inside the front of the vehicle, you have the new combined 24-inch panoramic screen. That's going to house everything from your Bluetooth technology, your Apple CarPlay, and your Android Auto. It's also going to have your navigation system. Now, some of the safety features I want to mention on here, I can't mention them all because I'd have to be here all day, but we do have the 360-degree camera with a bird's eye view. You also have lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, just to mention a few. Wow, that's impressive. Now, that's just a little bit about the Sportage. Let's talk about the Seltos over here. A lot of people are like, I've never heard of the Seltos. So back in the day when we had the Soul out here, it's not available in all-wheel drive. So we decided to make something that's very similar and comparable to the Soul. And that would be the Seltos, and that's available in the all-wheel drive package. Now, on this vehicle, things on here that you probably normally wouldn't see on a compact utility vehicle of its price range, you would be able to have the heated and ventilated seats. You'd also have extremely large rear leg room, just kind of like the Sportage over here, and you have nice room in the back for your cargo. Also, when you walk in the back and you have your keys on you, the back lift gate will recognize the key as long as you're in 5 feet proximity, and it'll open up for you. We don't do the hokey pokey here, actually, that's what we call it. You don't have to put your foot underneath. As long as it knows you're within 5 feet proximity, the actual rear lift gate will open. And that's on all of our vehicles here from Kia that have that option. Now, also, ladies and gentlemen, this vehicle has a 1.6 liter turbo engine, and that is going to deliver 195 horsepower and phenomenal fuel efficiency around 26 mpg. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a little bit about our two vehicles we have up here, but I also want to mention just a few on the floor. We have our beautiful new EV9 up front. That is a full electric 3-row SUV, so if you want some questions, if you have some questions about that, let us know. We also have our wonderful Telluride. The new Carnival is up there, as well as the Soul, the Ford Forte, and our EV6 is on the floor here. Also, make sure you do our driving experience with the EV6 GT. It's absolutely free. You just have to register with us, and you can actually take a drive in our little simulator there. Now, we also have something fabulous going on. I just saw Steven over there at the information counter. He has the fabulous duffel bag. We are giving the duffel bags away right now. If you would like to get a Kia duffel bag, all you have to do is visit us over at the info counter, fill out a quick little survey. It takes about 30 seconds or to a minute.
Oh, beautiful. We got some nice seats.
Everything that's electric is fast.
See how the back seat says? A lot of space back here.
All electric car up to me to watch the.
I think he crashed.
Yeah, it's really loud. So I kept pressing the brake is actually the same.
The name looks fun.
I came to the first corner and I kept pressing the left. Like, why didn't I do this? I figured out the brake is actually set. Once I got it, just ripped it. I mean, once I got to the third checkpoint, I felt pretty comfortable. But once I got light,
Oh. So this is a brand new 2024 Carnival. Beautiful. Probably take a seat over it. Oh, it's beautiful. Seats is real comfortable too. This is a car for me. A lot of space. Beautiful. This car is so beautiful. This is my type of car right here. Definitely buy a car just like this. Nice TVs. Beautiful car. Beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful. Shoot, I might get a car like this. Car look nice. Wow. So beautiful. They do sell merch at the car show. Get your Route 66 license plate. That's some beautiful flags. Flags is for one for $35, two for $60. $49. Nice. Now they got beautiful merch here. Buy your merch. Costs $49 each. Beautiful. She would like it. I might get one. The Batman, the old classic Batman show.